CD Plus is another application from Paperless Environments that I think you will find extremely useful in your organization. What CD Plus allows you to do is search documents in your vault and then burn them to a CD. And this can be used in a variety of ways. It can be used, for example, if you have audits and your auditors want to see certain invoices in the backup. You can then take those invoices, use the search utility, burn them to a CD, convert them to PDF images, include a reader, or include a PDF reader, and then send those distribution disks off to your CPA, and when they bring it up, they can sort and look through that documentation. All the while, you'll never having to go to pull invoices out for those auditors anymore. The other thing it can be used for is litigation. Now, I know we all don't want to talk about having litigation, but when we do have litigation and we need to find documents for a job and get it to our attorneys, this will be one of the better ways for you to actually pull those documents together and then be able to put it onto a CD and get it to them quickly. A third application for CD is AR T&M billings. So here I've actually brought up the CD distribution set and actually started it to say that this is going to be the invoice backup for draw number 2. And I've labeled it as an AR billing. And what's going to be nice about this when I label AR billing is that as I put this together and the distribution set gets finalized, it will actually go back into all the invoices that I'm including, in this case all AP invoices, and it will actually mark those invoices that they were included on draw number 2, so that I don't accidentally pick those again as I go to do the next draw. So I'm basically going to click on Search the Vault now for the documents that I need for this AR billing, and this is a familiar search that you've seen us go through in previous demos. To make this quick for this demonstration purposes, I'm basically going to click on AP invoices, likely, but I would actually pick a certain job number that I would want this for, and I could certainly pick an invoice date range. So maybe I want to look for all the invoices between a certain date. I would click on the advanced search in this case so that I could go from and to find those invoices. But to keep this demonstration simple at this point, I'm just going to basically click on a basic search. I'm going to search all the invoices in the system. I'm going to just select them all. I found all the invoices I need for this T&M billing. I select all, and then I click on Send. And what it does is puts all those invoices in my CD distribution set. And at this point, I basically come down here, select how I'm going to actually do this. What am I going to do on DVD? What am I going to do on a CD? In this case, I'm going to do a CD. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert those images. I'm going to include a reader with the program, and I'm also going to include a PDF reader. At this point, what I'm able to do then is actually save the distribution set, burn it to a CD. Whoever I'm sending this to receives it. They'll be able to search these documents, look at them, pull them up with the reader that they'll receive when they get the program. And it's that simple. And as you can see, I was just clicking the documents, and I came up in a viewer in the background. And that's our CD distribution set.